Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to activate the wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. If your team isn't performing well or you need major changes without taking point decisions, wildcard is perfect tool. So the wildcard allows you to make unlimited permanent transfer in a game week without incurring the usual 4-point cost per transfer. Each FPL manager gets 2 wildcard per season. First wildcard available until the game week 19 deadline Sunday, December 29. If unused, it expired after this deadline. Second wildcard available after the Sunday, December 29 for the use the second half of the season. Once activated, the wildcard cannot cancel. If you have already made 2 or more transfer, in the game week, when the status change from pending to active, the activation cannot be reversed. So for that, you can access from the wildcard from just log into your account and click on the fantasy. After that, go to transfer. You will get to see right now I have already used the transfer. So here you can see my card is unavailable. So whenever this available, you can just simply go there and remove the player. And for example, uh, right now I will just restore that player. I will just remove this player and I will select replacement and just click on this and I will add. Now here you will get this wildcard option and just simply click on that. For example, just imagine this is a wildcard. Just you will get to see the wildcard option. Just click on that. After clicking on that, the cost is 0 point. Sun cost is 0 point. You will be able to make unlimited transfer. So this is the advantage of wildcard. Right now it is unavailable for me. So whenever this available, now you will can see this tutorial and make the transfer. So if this video found informative or helpful, you can just simply subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.